December. We have so much to celebrate this month. And today I have a really great holiday DIY project to share with you featuring Limoneira oranges. Today I'm showing how to make this really simple and easy dried orange holiday wreath. This wreath is a great way to decorate a door, on a kitchen hood vent, or a holiday mantle. So let's get started. You will need dried Limoneira oranges, cardboard in the shape of a ring, and a variety of ribbon choices, and hot glue. First, I'll share with you how to make this DIY holiday wreath, and then keep watching for a tutorial on how to make dried orange peels. Begin by placing some of the dried orange slices on top of your cardboard ring to decide where you want them to go. Once you're happy with how it looks, then you can hot glue onto the cardboard ring. Finally, choose a ribbon or a bow and glue it on. I love this wreath because it's beautiful, but it's also really lightweight, so it's very easy to be held up with a small command hook anywhere in your home that you want to decorate. Here's how you make dried orange slices. Well, that's it for today's video. If you want to view the instructions for how to make this dried orange holiday wreath or print out the instructions, there's links below in the video description box. And you can also follow us online on social media at Limoneira Co for more daily recipes and DIY inspiration. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. You can also shop online and have Limoneira Citrus delivered to your home. Head to limoneira.com/shop. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm wishing you a happy and healthy December and holiday season, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!